This project only takes an 8-foot 1x4 pine board and a couple of door pulls. Now total cost for me was around $14. I didn't have a 1x4, so I ripped down some wider pieces I had laying around. I cut 3 pieces at 24 inches and 2 at 10 inches. Here I'm ripping a 45-degree angle partially off of 2 sides. Here's a better view to show you how that looks. Now I'm going to do the same on each end with the miter saw. Next, I glue up the 3 24-inch boards and clamp. Once dry, I scored the seams about 1/8 of an inch deep, along with the ends of the boards. Here's the final look to that. Doing some sanding here, not really too worried about getting the light scratches out at this stage. You'll see why later. Hey, if you want to see more small builds like this, check out the card above to my playlist. Now it's time to glue and nail the end boards in place. I have a 1/4 inch of space on each end. I'm also using 1 1/4 inch nails. Now to the fun part and why I didn't worry too much about sanding earlier. This is what I like to call rusticating the piece. There's no right or wrong way, just do what you think looks good. In fact, I think I'll grab a hammer at the end and put some more dings in it. I'm using dark walnut stain, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Now I'm at the final stage of installing the handle poles. And for around $14, I made a piece that I've seen selling online for $45 to $65. Hey, it's an easy build, folks. Get creative with it.